Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox the Ant Audio W56 Wired earphones. So guys, now let's take a look at the box. At the side, it's written the accessories and compatible with. At the back, some more information and the MRP, which is 1300 rupees. And at the left side, it's written noise cancellation, explosive bass, hi-fi stereo, inline mic, flat type cable and lightweight. And the color is black. So now let's open the box. So I've been using this from last week, and so now I'll be opening this box again for the review. And we get a metal box here. So I've already opened it. We get some stickers related to music, and this some paperwork and a welcome letter. And these are our earphones, premium earphones. So now let's take this out. And some extra ear tips and a paper clip. So now let's talk about our earphones. This is a flat type cable, black earphones and logo. We get these ear hooks, and these ear tips are very soft, made up of soft silicone. And the earpieces are, if you can see, are tilted at an angle of 45 degrees for a great fit. And the wire is very protected here, highly protected. And now let's open this. So a very long cable, 1.2 meters long, 3.5 mm gold plated jack turned at 90 degrees. This is a single button for pause play or picking or rejecting calls. And this is the wire splitter and audio logo here. And this one also contains the mic. So thanks for watching. The Best Buy link is in the description. Keep watching my videos. I hope to see you in my next video.